Nowadays, people are becoming successful, finding short-term solutions for earning money and taking minimum hours out of their precious time. Technology is reaching its peak, just like the latest machinery is being adopted worldwide, which reduces human effort and saves ample time. Similarly, people have approached such resources, which can provide good jobs to anyone who wants to work as a part-timer to increase their earnings. Your normal 9-to-5 earnings may go with covering your daily expenses. Considering current circumstances, inflation is damaging the economic performance of even highly settled people. So there must be a concrete step to be taken to enhance our earning level, something that will facilitate. What a dissatisfaction that is when you're just done with paying your rent, bills, etc., to such an extent that you start worrying about the whole month's suffering. No emergency funds, no savings, no additional resources. So the question arises that going like this, is it going to end up on a good note? If not, then start thinking about it right now. 9-to-5 isn't going to help that much. So the best thing in this critical phase is to start investing just 2 to 3 hours of your time, other than your job, in enhancing your skills and developing yourself as a self-made entrepreneur. It doesn't take time to adjust. However, you will be enjoying those few hours because you know that the prospect is based upon this crucial time. Either you make full use of it or throw it away. In content marketing, you are supposed to do more than write the content. Make it unique, convincing, instructive, appropriate, and friendly so that your users can efficiently engage with it. It aims to increase the number of email subscribers, likes/comments/shares, page views, search engine ranking, and SEO friendliness. Apart from all these, people might think narrow-mindedly and restrict themselves to just these sections, while there are many more occupations surrounding freelance writing. So don't get puzzled by this because freelance writing can serve many more divisions. You can earn income from this side job, and if you are consistent enough to give 2 to 4 hours daily, you'll make up to $50 to $1,000 each month. If your 9-to-5 work routine is not constant, then you could start content writing from day one. Content writing aims to produce valuable information to engage, entertain, and educate the targeted audience. It has various categories, such as informational articles, web content, direct mail, technical writing, etc. Once published, the task of a content writer is accomplished. Concerns about metrics such as no plagiarism, writing style, number of words/pages, number of articles, error-free content, etc. You were speaking of earning income. Suppose working consistently for 2 to 4 hours. You can earn up to $50, $1,000 each month. Considering your... Yes, we're talking about Amazon affiliate marketing. We can also call it as Amazon Associate Program. Many people get trapped by a lack of knowledge and almost go on to waste their money by investing it in ineffective places before becoming aware of Amazon's Associate Program. Firstly, we create our Amazon Associate Program account, which requires our address, postal code, contact details, and even mobile numbers for a verification code. And finally, we ended up having our own Amazon affiliate marketing account after all these formalities. And it also proves whether we are eligible for affiliate marketing in Pakistan. Amazon sets a benchmark of paying their customers by the commission as it is 2%, 4%, 6%, or maybe 8%. It varies from product to product. Amazon advertises certain shops to make sales for them. And that's where our job comes into play. Earning criteria depends on... As you normally see when you search for social media handling, you got to know about the highly featured jobs relating to social media management. Your responsibility is to manage the pages across social media, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Likewise, you handle your accounts. The best thing is that you don't need any skills to accommodate this job. Many business owners have no time to deal with their social activity, so they hire people who can serve them as their social media managers. You'll just have to answer the messages, comments, and likes, and make posts for your client. Therefore, you are being paid diligently for this. This field has a full collection of freelancers, 30% of the workforce. Most probably, about 1 out of 3 freelancers in need is a web designer or graphic designer. Arguably, the hourly pay rate of almost every graphic or web designer is $19. We could readily presume that the reason freelancers in this field earn more than writers, despite having a higher supply of freelancers, is because of specialized proficiency demands. Almost anyone who can read or write well can see themselves as a successful freelance writer in the future. But you need to gain competency in web or graphic designing skills by training to reach the top level. Freelancer translators are one of the most highly paid employees in the freelance market, with an average hourly rate of $20. However, the skill in this field is not easily approachable. The barrier entry is not much irrelevant to formerly considered skills. You must be professional in at least 2 languages to translate from one to the other. Apart from this, translating can help you enhance your communication skills. You'll face no such complications going abroad to be able to get in touch with different freelancers. More often than not, offer information technology services, but they are in high demand and they command very high pay. Thus far, they are not in the top 5 highest paying fields. The freelancing prospects in this field incorporate infotech with consulting, information system maintenance and governance, cloud computing specialists, data analysts, and so on. Information technology freelancers demand $23 on an hourly basis. In terms of fame, this field hasn't been given much hype in the freelancing market. Yet, it comes in the category of highly paid freelancing jobs in the circuit. Finance freelancers are associated with various jobs, such as writing finance articles, financial reports, proposals, accounting, financial analysis, financial tactics, and counseling. With the appropriate training, experience, and qualification in finance, marketing freelancers are predominantly in high demand for various reasons. Businesses and brands approach the latest, and existing customer costs more effectively. Professionals from this field who can provide marketing services to their respective businesses more often command an average hourly rate of $23. The most common job for freelance marketers is social media planning, management, marketing, search engine optimization, and sales funnel outcome, among others. This field demands no qualification as long as you deliver outcomes to your business, and that's all you need. You can also enhance. Programming is arguably the most highly rated field in the freelancing market, behind web and graphic design. But due to the technological skill requirement and value creation, the field commands some of the highest paying rates in the circuit, demanding an average hourly rate of $25. Freelance programmers are associated with fixing technical issues and mobile applications for their clients to thrive as freelance programmers. You'll have to be competent in learning the codes for programming languages with massive market demand. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.